Everyone. So in this video I will show you how you can add tables in Power BI and how you can modify them. So I will come to page 2, which is blank. Here from the visualization pane I will select table. Now here first thing I'll do is I'll start adding columns to it. From the data I can add any of the columns from the data into my table in this column field. So I'll start with project name, project name, project ID. You can also move it around. I will add start date and I will remove the hierarchy. I will also add status. I will add location, progress, and also here we will remove the sum, don't summarize. We can also add the end date and again remove the hierarchy. We can add budget and remove the summarize. So this is a basic table that we have created. Now let's see how we can modify it. So here in this format, I will go here. We have two options, visual or general. So in the style present, we can change the style. Right now it's default. We can keep it none, minimal, however you like it. So for now, let's keep it none. In the grid, you can define the grid and the grid color. Let's say we'll keep it blue and we can highlight the, we can also add vertical lines and again, let's make it blue and highlight it. In the values, you can change the font and the size of the values that you have. I'll keep it as it is. Column headers, let's make them a little bolder. We'll keep the same and let's make it dark and we can align them in the middle. You also have the option of adding totals. We will remove it for now. You can also define anything related to specific column here. You can select the column and then you can, for example, let's say in the status, let's change the background color to this. You can also add different kinds of element to your cells. You can add URL, image, and you can set the size. Now coming to general, here you can set up the properties, the height and width of your table. You can give your table a title. For example, project management table. You can bring it in the middle. We can add a background color and we can give the text color. You can also add some effects if you want. We will remove this. In the data format, you can set up data. For example, in the progress, we can say it is a whole number and then you will see it is all like this. But we can also add decimal places to it and we'll see it back. You can also add tooltips to your table. For that, do refer to my tooltips video. And also, like I showed you when we started, you can also add these traffic lights or highlight your data through conditional formatting. For that, also please refer to my videos. But this is how you can easily modify your table in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more. Thank you.